Hello students. So I welcome you all in my channel Digital Electronics. So today we are going to discuss about the complements of numbers. Complement of any number. So what is the meaning of a complement and why do we find out the complement of any number? So complement basically simplify the mathematical operation. Simplify the mathematical operation. And if a mathematical operation gets simplified, it's easy to make the circuits. It's easy to make the circuits because finally, whatever the operations we do using, let's say, calculator, there is a circuit underneath in it. So these circuits has to be simplified, easy and simplify. These circuits has to be simplify and they has to be easy. So this complement help us to make easier circuits and simplify circuits. Now, what are the complements? How we defined it? So let's say we have a base or a radix or base R system. Okay, so we have a number system, let's say whose radix is R. Okay, in decimal we know R is equal to 10. In binary, we know R is equal to 2. In octal, we know R is equal to 8. In hexadecimal, we know R is equal to 16. So in any number system, there are two different complement you can define. Number one, you can define radix complement. Radix complement, which is known as R's complement. And the other one is diminished radix complement, which is R minus 1's complement. Okay, so in this video, we will see R minus 1's complement first, and then in the next video, we will see the R's complement. So let me write here R minus 1's complement. How does it define? So let's say we have a number n. Let's say we have a number n. Okay, and let's say it has a small n number of digits. Then the R minus 1's complement of R minus 1's complement of n will be R to the power n minus 1 minus n. This is how we define the R minus 1's complement of any number n which has a small n number of digits. So for example, let's say we wanted to find out the R minus 1's complement of, let's say, 239. This is the number. So definitely this number, let's say this number is written in a decimal number system. So R is equal to 10. Capital N, the number is 239. Small n, the number of digits. So 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digits. So it's a 3-digit number. So the 9's complement, R minus 1's, meaning now R is 10, so 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9's complement of 239 will be R to the power n. R is 10 to the power 3 minus 1 and minus n. N is what? 239. Now this number is 10 to the power 3 is 1000 minus 1 is minus 239. And this number is 999 minus 239. So the answer will be 067. So the nines complement of 239 is this. So let me take here another pen. So this is the nines complement of 239. But for now, what we will do, we will use one trick here. So whenever we are calculating the nines complement of any number, what we need to do is we need to subtract each digit of that number from 9. For example, 9's complement of 37 will be 99 minus 37, and this will be 62. Okay. So now for you, I am giving 2 questions and you need to give me the answer in the comment sections. So suppose 9's complement, find the 9's complement of question number 1, let's say 097, and the question number 2 is let's say 132. So please give me the answer in the comment sections. So thank you very much. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.